Hi, my name is Nicholas Barber. I'm an account manager with Haverford Systems.
Hello, my name is Stephen Barrera. I'm a project manager at Haverford Systems.
Hi, I'm Dan Mason. I'm the Director of Information Technology at Rosemont College.
And today, we're here to talk about our installation project at Rosemont College.
Rosemont College wanted a new system to better engage their students. They wanted technology to make learning a bit easier and to reach all parties, whether in person or out of the classroom, more of a hybrid setup. Most importantly, they wanted a system that was easy to use. We designed and built systems around that concept.
In partnership with Haverford Systems for over 10 years, I'm going to say, we had retrofitted 8 older classrooms and library spaces with teaching and conferencing technology.
I was part of the team that helped design for Dan Mason at Rosemont College. They wanted to solve a problem of implementing a web conferencing solution for their classrooms.
The main AV goal for this project was for professors to successfully teach in-person students as well as remote students.
At the end of 2019, we opened a newly constructed community center on campus that included 5 learning spaces that were designed by Haverford to be flexible, to accommodate lecture, collaboration, remote learning. Building also includes a very nice boardroom that is a Zoom room with video and audio conference capability.
I approached this project like I approach many other projects.
As a designer, we handled it just like any other project.
The first step is listening, and you want to understand what the client needs from you.
I was able to go into their spaces and recommend hardware.
And then I got back to my team, and then we were able to provide a collaborative solution for Rosemont and for all their students to be successful.
These are the spaces we turn to when we could welcome back in-person instruction for the fall 2020 semester. Spaces were easily configured to accommodate safe distancing, sanitizing practices. We also acquired some additional huddle cams that allowed some of our smaller non-traditional spaces to be able to offer remote access to students and faculty. So the transition to our hybrid course offerings was very straightforward because the technology was in place. Our instructors knew how to use it.
We started them off with a demo of Zoom and PTZ optics with their faculty.
Some of the products that Rosemont went with were Zoom solutions, PTZ optics cameras, Sharp-A-Quos interactive displays, wireless microphones.
Once that proof of concept was established, they were able to easily roll out the Zoom and PTZ optics camera.
Just before we were given permission to reopen, we worked with Haverford Systems to be sure that all AV systems were calibrated and prepared and ready to go. Many of our faculty were already very familiar with the Sharp interactive screens, the PTZ and huddle cams, the conferencing platform. So the semester, even though it was very different, it was a success, a true success.
So this project took about 6 months to a year to complete. Haverford Systems was with Rosemont College every step of the way. We did our due diligence to make sure that they were happy and to make sure that we had all the information that they needed to be successful.
By providing technology services for what we need now, while also envisioning the future and whatever challenges the future may hold. We are beginning to move towards more learning and collaboration spaces throughout campus that are readily available for students to gather, for faculty to gather, so that that experience and exposure to technology can take place in multiple locations, not just in the classroom. You know, that whole Rosemont College experience is sort of the goal in technology, and it's supported by the faculty and the administration that clearly that's a direction that we want to go.
Hello, my name is Stephen Barrera. I'm a project manager at Haverford Systems.
My name is Nicholas Barber. I'm an account manager here at Haverford Systems. If you'd like to reach me, please send me an email at nicholas.barber@haverford.com, or please submit your questions to questions@haverford.com. Thank you.